how to become unensnared, how to get out of the trap. First, you have to understand that the word exists first in your mind before it leaves your mouth, and what you speak adjusts the local field of energy around you. The contemplation of your heart is the furnace, is the power behind that prayer, that word, that thought. So these two combine and cast into the local field of energy around you a sensation, a feeling, an emotion. So to become unensnared, first the mind has to become focused and singular. And so what you might do is back off for a second from all this stuff and just start repeating some nice words to yourself, like friendship, kindness, peace, loving, community, family, okay? And if you get a hit, if your intuition goes, okay, I like that word family. Now, what you do is, with a single-mindedness, you repeat. You're going to break the spell. You're going to get out of the snare. So you're going to repeat with single-mindedness, family, family, family. And you're going to start to feel, why do you enjoy that word so much? Why does family bring so much joy to you? Okay. Now, in the contemplation and meditation of your heart, the word of your mouth, animated by the contemplation and meditation of your heart, what we're going to do is, you're going to use that word, family, and then I want you to sense within your body right here, right? So you're using your attention within your physical body, and you're feeling what the word family feels like right here. Okay, and repeating the word family, family, family. And then you're feeling it right here. What does that bring to you? Okay. And so that begins to change this emotional field of energy around you. Now, when your mind leaves the single-mindedness of the word family, that would be what they call a meditation. You're meditating on this, or in Christianity it would be called the contemplation. Like Christianity is a contemplative religion and Buddhism is a meditative religion. Both, whatever. But the idea for this, to get out of that snare then, is that once that single-mindedness stops, that's the real trick, because now you got to be able to carry that out into the world. So your will, right around here you have this energy center that controls will. It controls the movement of energy between your heart and the thought, okay? And so what are you going to speak into the world? But on the inverse of that, are you going to have the will and the discernment to know where to sow the seeds? Are you going to have the will to fight that urge, because you're caught in the snare, and the snare is that addiction cycle, or the snare is that need to be right, or whatever it might be. So can you, through your own will, there might be some work to do on that, so that through your own will and your attention on your free spirit, your free will, can you choose to not engage? And can you choose, while everything's going on around you, to stay single-minded on your word, whatever resonates, and can you animate that word with that feeling and energy of your heart? And if you do that, then all those things that people talk about, and you'll become stronger, and that's being fortified. So this is years of experience. This is not something I just invented yesterday. This is literally 20 years or more of my life that I have spent contemplating these things and working on these things. And so I'm trying to provide you with a simple way out. I could go way deep, and if there's those questions on the way deep, you can let me know. But this is a quick and simple and very powerful way to get out of the snare. But it's going to take your will. And remember, what you put your attention on is what you worship. So let that like hit home. Do you want to put your attention on and worship that which is dividing people? Or do you want to be the one that unifies? Do you want to be the one that contemplates family, contemplates wellness, contemplates community? Are you going to be that? Are you going to put your attention there? Are you going to use the words of your mouth to speak the spirit of the heart? That's what I'd encourage you to do, and get out of the snares. So anyway, hope this helps. Om.